existence, the physical universe, is basically playful. There is no necessity for it whatsoever.
When I was 6 years old, my grandmother asked me who I wanted to become when I grew up. I said, I want to be an explorer. A couple of weeks later, I was looking at the world map I had on the wall, and I was feeling a sense of disappointment when I realized that almost all lands on Earth were already discovered, thinking there was nothing left to explore. For years, it felt like I had lost my chance at exploring altogether. But I got one thing wrong. As I grew up, I started to realize exploring didn't just mean finding new places on a map. Exploration is about finding new ideas, new experiences, and new passions. That realization gave me back the much needed excitement in life I was looking for. That's why when I started this channel, I made a promise to myself that I would only upload videos of ideas that truly excite me. Just because I had realized that there was no other way to do it. Excitement is something you can always rely on.
No fucking way! I cannot believe this.
Unlike happiness, which is fleeting. Happiness is here one moment and gone the next. There is no way to obtain it, and you should already know better than to chase happiness. But excitement is different. Excitement is the rush you feel when you're running towards something new.
Traveled all the way to Oxford from Estonia to see a goddamn tree.
It's the energy that pulls you forward.
Whoa, you have to see the view.
Excitement isn't tied to a single moment or place. It's found in stepping into the unknown, in trying new things.
Feels good, man.
In pushing past comfort zones. I'm now a 29-year-old man who's fully committed to live his childhood dreams. Everything that causes a glimpse of curiosity is translated into excitement, and therefore it becomes a need for exploration. This is what you have seen on my channel and will be seeing. Just a dude exploring the things that excite, without much meaning behind it. Because just like Alan Watts said, existence should be playful, and that's it. I mean, it's not really that deep.